Over to more political stories coming in. After Rahul Gandhi's comment on violent Hindus in Parliament, suspended BJP Neta Nupur Sharma has broken her over 2 years silence. Without directly naming Rahul Gandhi, Nupur alleged a conspiracy to wipe out Sanatanis in India. Nupur, remember, who was suspended from the BJP in July 2022 for her controversial remarks on Prophet Muhammad, has spoken out for the first time and also detailed her ordeal, saying that she lives under heavy security due to threats stemming from this controversy, which had caused a nationwide stir. This comes after the dramatic session in Lok Sabha last week, where Rahul Gandhi also delivered a scathing critique of the Modi government, accusing the BJP of spreading fear and claiming its leaders are not true Hindus. Significant portions of his address, including his contentious references to Hinduism, were expunged from parliamentary records the next day.
जब ऊंचे पदों पे बैठे लोग कह देते हैं हिंदू हिंसक हैं, ऊंचे पदों पे बैठ के लोग कह देते हैं कि हिंदू सनातनियों का नरसंहार कर दो, दो बात कहूंगी। जो मैंने देखा है पिछले 2 साल में, सनातनियों का नरसंहार करने की कोशिश की गई। तुम कहो तो वाह वाह, मैं सत्य भी कह दूं तो सर तन से जुदा, ये मेरे देश में नहीं चलेगा। तुम कहो तो वाह वाह, मैं सत्य भी कह दूं तो सर तन से जुदा, ये मेरे देश में नहीं चलेगा। अगर हिंदू हिंसक होता तो एक हिंदू सनातनी बेटी को इस सुरक्षा घेरे में अपने ही देश में अपनी आजादी गवा के रहने की नौबत नहीं आती। किसी और घर की बेटी तो दूर की बात है, किसी और घर के किसी सदस्य को भी वो ना देखना पड़े जो मैंने देख लिया। मेरा देश भारतीय संविधान से चलेगा, किसी मजहबी कानून या शरिया से नहीं।
This is all false and false completely. When Prime Minister can lie in the house, then of course what to talk about the cadre. And when Rahul ji spoke there as a leader of opposition, he categorically said that Hindus don't believe in violence, but BJP perpetuates violence, hatred. And Rahul ji said that RSS BJP cannot be a true Hindu. And he did not say to entire community. But when the Prime Minister can lie and can twist and can distort, then nothing remains. There is no morality. And unfortunately, that portion of his speech has not been removed.
And like we told you, there were several parts of Rahul Gandhi's speech last week that were expunged, after which Rahul had vowed to persist in his fight and demanded that the Lok Sabha Speaker reinstate those deleted portions.
मोदी जी की दुनिया में सच्चाई एक्सपंज हो सकती है, मगर रियलिटी में सच्चाई एक्सपंज नहीं हो सकती है। जो मैंने कहा था, जो मैंने कहना था, मैंने कह दिया, वो सच्चाई है। और एक्सपंज करें, जितना करना है करें, सच्चाई सच्चाई होती है।